surprising our beautiful bride.
I said, will you marry me? I swear that I'll mean it. I'll say, will you marry me? Swear that I'll mean it. I'll say, will you?
Sobrang ako sa appreciation, na-overwhelm ako sa parang binibigay yung binigay yung pa-surprise, parang hindi ko expect talaga. So, thank you so much.
Sana masundan si Cecilia. Ang galing na mo ha. Papaakit yan ma. Love you ma.
Ayan, for your honeymoon nights and all the beautiful evenings that follow. Isuot mo to ha. At tapos mag-selfie ka, send mo sa akin. Ha? Congrats! Congratulations to the bride-to-be. May your days be filled with excitement, your heart with peace, and your future with endless love.
Lagi mo
center of your marriage, ituloy natin lahat ng happiness sa inyo, sa inyong family, at sa mga darating pa mga anak ninyo, na sana talagang magkaroon na ng kapatid si Misia. Sobrang happy ako. Sobrang happy lang talaga ako. Thank you. Hindi lang ako nagmamahal sa'yo, pag may problema ka, ma'am, nandito lang kami. Hindi lang nakakumarating mo sa amin, kundi lang ng kapatid mo lang.
Sa bawat effort niyo, ma'am, appreciate ko talaga from the bottom of my heart. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
We love you ma.
I love you all. So
the night has come and the land is dark and the moon is the only light we'll see. No, I won't be afraid. No, I won't be afraid. Just as long as you stay.